One of my favorite things I love about SEO, which is stealing from competitors. First, we need to find them. Probably you might know who your competitors are, but if you don't, it's probably as simple as just searching something related to you, and then the ranking URLs are probably competitors. They might be business competitors, or they might just be SEO competitors, for example, a blog. Regardless, as soon as you find one competitor, you can put it in the Site Explorer in Ahrefs, and SEMrush does this too, and then you can go to the competitor section, and it's actually going to show you all the competitors that share results in Google with that competitor that you've added initially. So of course, you can just grab the next one and do the same, and in probably around 10 minutes, you're going to end up with too many competitors to handle. Regardless, it's as easy as doing step one again. So you go to organic keywords and you have the same filters there again, and then you go to word count and let's say 6, and now we're going to see the keywords that that competitor ranks for that have more than 6 words. And look at this, position 2, they directly targeted that. This is probably amazing keyword for us. And you might be wondering, why should I do the same thing I did with step 1, but instead of with just the keyword, let's say dementia right away, with competitors URLs? And it's pretty clear, because if you do only step 1, you are only going to find long tail keywords that contain the word dementia. But there's so many more keywords that your potential clients might be searching that don't contain the word dementia. That's what I mean when you create your own little world. So the other way to do that is go with competitors, because now you're not forcing the keywords to contain dementia, but you know most of the keywords are relevant because they are a competitor. Keep in mind that you can do this site-wide. We're looking at all the keywords that all the pages that these competitors are ranking for, but you can also do it on a per page basis. So you can put a specific page, make sure you put exact URL right here, and now you're going to see the keywords that only this URL ranks for, and again you can play with the filter, and here they are. The great thing with this one is that there's a free way of doing it that's slightly limited, but the best way to do this is to actually find the main competitor and just put site, and you're going to see all the URLs that they rank for that are indexed in Google. And from here, what you can do is grab each of the URLs and put it in this free tool that I'm going to give it to you. Is in the caption. You put exact URL, you check the traffic, and it's going to tell you a few keywords that they rank for. You see, it's really limited compared to the other one, which show you all. Here's just 5, and there's no filters here to do that. They must contain 5 words or whatever, but this is already helpful. And actually doing this is one of the key ways to find any keyword that you want, which I explained in this video, and I recommend you to go and look because it's next level.